Hey Fiull fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I miss you so much. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing my makeup in the sun, and honey boo boo bear, it's hot. Okay, you see me drinking that water? I made sure it was cold too because I knew it's gonna be hot outside. Okay, look at me, like I really appreciate this water. Like love you water. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows and yeah, basically getting started with my makeup. It's just a regular makeup routine, so I'm gonna be back in a few days saying some more things. It's okay? Subscribe. So as you can see, I am priming my face, and this is funny because my grandpa came outside and he was judging me, I could tell, and I'm just like, I'm embarrassed. But I'm now priming my eyelids, getting it ready for the foundation and the eyeshadow. Alrighty guys, so now that I'm done baking, I'm just gonna contour, and that's the finished product. By the way, my camera cut off, so I don't have any finished footage, but I managed to record some clips of me in the end. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and please subscribe and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Bye. Fiull out. Love you.